Hi everyone, Captain Rug Wash here. I put a post on last night about reweaving this rug. I'm just repairing the side cord, the fringe here, not side cord, the fringe rather. I'll just show you because obviously photos aren't always as detailed as possible. So the damage on this one was all the way down the fringe. All the knots in the fringe originally came to like here. So I've actually de-knotted a lot of the rug already. So the damage was all on this fringe, as my photo said, and I'm going down into the side cord. So originally the customer just wanted the rug whipped around there, which would have looked awful. So I persuaded the customer to have this one fringe is secured. So as you can see, all I'm doing, this is the weft yarn that's coming out between the knots now. See that yarn popping out? That's the weft yarn, so it goes from weft to right. This is the fringe, the warp yarn runs all the way down the length of the rug. And this yarn here, as you can see, goes from left to right, hence why it's a weft. So you can remember weft to right. And all I'm doing, once I'm getting to them, I'm then just pulling out all the knots. So you can see there is a knot. And there is a massive pile of knots and wefts. So this is what I'm taking out. I've taken out a good inch so far. You can see where the fringe was originally. All this had, well, all this here would have looked like that. But I need to get back to wherever the damage stops. So about here, the damage stops. So I'm going to have to come down to at least, where does that run? I may pick up that second black line and then just take out all the knots. So leave that weft in right the way across the length of, or the width of the rug, sorry. So I'm going to take out another, what's that, an inch worth of knots. So it's just a case of sitting here and see these knots that the weaver has painstakingly knotted each individual knot. And to repair it, I'm undoing all her work. Is it not there? To repair the fringe. But once it's finished, I shall show the photos and it will look a lot better. So we've got to take out each individual knot that was knotted by hand. Take out all the wefts that were spun in. This fringe may need some colour correction. You can see where the knots were. You've got black dye and you've got red dye. So I'll check with the customer. She may want this one. You can see there, black, red, black. So they may want it. You can actually see the triangles of what the pattern was. This is the back of the rug. So that's the pattern. So I'll double check with the customer. They may want me just to get rid of that dye, and if so, I can get that done. So yeah, I just got to take this all the way back. Like I said, that weft that's going across there, and then I shall secure the rug using my twine, and it will be safe from further damage. Right guys, have a good day. If you need any rugs repaired, get in touch.